What really is API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. You might have heard this term or knowledge, but do you understand what is that? Let me give you an example. Suppose you go to a restaurant, you go to a shop and you ask something, give me a bottle of water, give me a pizza, give me cake, and you just ask and they deliver to you. You get what you ask, right? Similarly, in the programming, you might have been using this in your own program. If you work in the PHP or Python on the web-based programming languages, you send request to your PHP page through a query, for example ID1, ID2, and then based on the request coming through the query, you access the database and then get the data and show it to user. So in API, basically the concept is very similar, but there is a little different. You send request to another program and then you get the data back to yourself through your program. So you use PHP or any web language to send request to another program. For example, it can be YouTube API, Twitter API, Facebook API. So basically they are not giving you access to their source code, but allowing you to make a request. Remember the example of the restaurant. You make a request and you get some data, and then based on the data you just display data back to user or do whatever you want to process. This is simply what is the API. There is nothing complicated. You just have to learn how APIs work together. For example, the format of the YouTube API could be different than the Facebook, but the concept is very simple. You send request through the URL, maybe you use the curl or whatever, but you send and you get and you process. So before the API, you have been doing it in your own program. You send request to your PHP page and you get data yourself, and then you display data to user. But this time you are not doing it within your own environment, but sending to external, then getting back. I hope you got the point. If you understand, let me know in the comments below, and maybe if you have any question, you can post in the comments. So I tried to explain this very simple way. So I don't know if I was successful or not, but you can tell me if you like it or not. Take care of yourself and bye.